Multiplication. X is read as times. It means to multiply to put equal groups together. Also, multiplication means repeated addition. Repeated addition. Look at these examples. There are two groups of stars. Each group has 4 stars. There are 4 groups and each group has 2 stars. We can write it into this form. 2 times 4 equals 8. We say times 4 equals 8. Look at this box. Are there any apples? There are 0 apples. What if we have 4 such boxes? How many apples do we have then? Four times 0 equals 0. If we multiply anything by 0, the answer is still 0. Example. How many apples are there altogether? There are 4 groups. Each group has 3 apples. We say 4 times 3 equals 12. Multiplication of table 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 6 equals 18. 4 times 6 equals 24. 5 times 6 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 7 times 6 equals 42. 8 times 6 equals 48. 9 times 6 equals 54. 10 times 6 equals 60. Example. Sumaira has 3 boxes, each box has 21 pencils. How many pencils are there altogether? Step 1. Multiply 1 by 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. Step 2. Multiply 2 tens by 3. 3 times 2 equals to 6. We say the product of 21 and 3 is 63. Converting ones and tens. What does Sumaira do when she has too many tens in tens column? Find the product of 185 and 3. Step 1. By multiplying 3 by 5 she get 15, 5 in the ones column, 1 is the carry. Step 2. She changed the extra tens into 100 when she multiplied 3 by 8. It would become 24 and adding 1 of carry. Step 3. Now she multiply 3 by 100. And then she add the additional 200 she got from the tens into multiplication result. After addition she write 5 in the answer at 100 position. Converting hundreds. Find the product of 265 and 9. 9 times 5 equals to 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 54 plus 4 carry equals to 58. Here, when she multiplies the 100 column, she gets 9 times 2 equals 18, and add additional 500 that she got from tens, it would become 2300. So Sumaira changes 2300 into 2000, writing 2 at the top of 100 column, while writing 3 at the 100 position. Then she multiplied the 1000 column, multiply 9 by 0. At the 1000 position she assumed 0 because at this position no digit. So, 9 times 0 equals 0. Then she add the additional 2000 into multiplication result. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Multiplying 3 numbers. It is easy to multiply 2 numbers. For example, it is either 5 times 4 and 4 times 5, the result is same. What happens when 3 numbers are multiplied? Example. Adil has chosen these 3 numbers 4, 3, and 2. First he multiplies 4 and 3, then with 2. 4 times 3 times 2. 12 times 2. 24. Now if he multiply these number into different order. 2 times 3 times 4. 6 times 4. 24. Now, he tries them again in yet another order. 3 times 4 times 2. 12 times 2. 24. Multiplying by 10, vertical form. What if Sumaira tried to multiply by 10? For example, if she tried 15 times 10. Step 1. She know that 10 has 1 10 and 0 ones. First she multiply 15 by 0. 15 times 0 equals 0. Step 2. Then she multiply 15 by 1. When she multiply, she put the result below from the step 1 multiplication result. Before doing multiplication, she write a 0 at the ones position because ones multiplication has been done in step 1. Step 3. Then she multiply 15 by 1. First she multiply 1 tens by 5 ones, that is, 5 times 1 equals 5, and put the result in second row at tens position. Step 4. Then she multiplied by 1 tens by 1 tens. It will become 100. She put result 1 at 100 position. 1 times 1 equals 1. In other words, 110 by 110 is equal to 100. Then she add the result. After addition properly, she get the result 15 times 10 equals 150. Multiplying by 100. When a number is multiplied by 100, the number itself shifts 2 column to the left. For example, 100 times 5. In short, when you multiply a single number by 100, you can shift that number by 2 place at 100 position. Multiplying by 100 and its multiples. When you multiplying 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 or 900. Follow simple method of remembering to move 2 column to the left and to add 2 zeros. Example: 15 times 4 equals to 60. Now add 2 zeros to number and shift number 60 to column left. Multiplication of 2-digit number. Example: 15 times 25. First we multiply 5 ones by 5 ones. 5 times 5 equals 25. We write 5 at ones and carry 2 at tens position. Then multiply 5 ones by 1 tens. 5 times 1 equals 5. And add additional 2 tens that was carry in step 1. It would become 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now add 1 zero at ones position. Then multiply 2 by 5 first, it would become 10. Write 0 at tens and take 1 carry at tens position. Then multiply 2 10 by 1 tens, it would become 2 times 1 equals 2. Add additional 1 that was taken as carry from previous step, that is 2 plus 1 equals 3. And write 3 at hundred position.